Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel KF Creations. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos notifications. Fear and phobias. A phobia is a type of an anxiety disorder that causes an individual to experience extreme irrational fear about a situation, living creature, place or object. Phobias are diagnosable mental disorders. Phobias may be memories passed down through generations in DNA according to a new research. There are more than 400 distinct phobias well recognized by psychologists. Genetic and environmental factors close relative within an anxiety disorder can cause phobias. Distressing events such as nearly drowning can bring on a phobia. Exposure to confined spaces, extreme heights, and animal or insect bites can all be sources of phobias. Alexander the Great, Napoleon, Mussolini, and Hitler all suffered from ailurophobia, the fear of cats. Arachnophobia is the fear of spiders and other arachnids. This phobia is quite common, affecting as many as 1 in 3 women and 1 in 4 men. Ophidiophobia is the fear of snakes. This phobia is quite common and often attributed to evolutionary causes, personal experiences, or cultural influences. Coulrophobia is the fear of clowns. The word possibly originates from Greek word koulon, meaning stilt or stilt walkers. Acrophobia fear can lead to anxiety attacks and avoidance of high places. People who suffer from this phobia may go to great lengths to avoid high places such as bridges, towers, or tall buildings. Aerophobia, or the fear of flying, affects an estimated 8 million US adults, despite the fact that airplane accidents are actually very uncommon. Around 1 out of every 3 people has some level of fear of flying. Some of the common symptoms associated with this phobia include trembling, rapid heartbeat, and feeling disoriented. Xenophobia, or the fear of dogs, is often associated with specific personal experiences such as being bitten by a dog during childhood. Such events can be quite traumatic and can lead to fear responses that last well into adulthood. Children with a specific phobia may express their anxiety by crying, clinging to a parent, or throwing a tantrum. Nomophobia is the fear of being without your mobile phone or losing your signal. Anatidaephobia is the weird fear that somewhere, somehow, a duck is watching you. Phaleganiphobia is the fear of beautiful women. Chromophobia, to an irrational fear of colors. Any tone or shade can potentially cause a reaction, possibly because the sufferer has linked it with a bad memory or association. It can experience anxiety, lightheadedness, nausea, shortness of breath, dizziness, feelings of panic, trembling, and elevated heart rate. Astrophobia is a fear of thunder and lightning. People with this phobia experience overwhelming feelings of fear when they encounter such weather-related phenomena. Trypanophobia is the fear of injections, a condition that can sometimes cause people to avoid medical treatments and doctors. Like many phobias, this fear often goes untreated because people avoid the triggering object and situation. Social phobia involves the fear of social situations and can be quite debilitating. In many cases, these phobias can become so severe that people avoid events, places, and people who are likely to trigger an anxiety attack. Xenoglossophobia is the fear of foreign languages. Megarocophobia is the fear of having to cook. Agoraphobia involves a fear of being alone in a situation or place where escape may be difficult. This type of phobia may include the fear of crowded areas, open spaces, or situations that are likely to trigger a panic attack. Mysophobia, or the excessive fear of germs and dirt, can lead people to engage in extreme cleaning, compulsive hand washing, and even avoidance of things or situations perceived as dirty. In some instances, this phobia may be related to obsessive-compulsive disorder. Cheerophobia is the fear of being too happy because something tragic will happen. Philophobia is the fear of falling in love. Phobophobia is the fear of having a phobia. Didascalinophobia is the fear of going to school. Emetophobia is the fear of eyes. Odontophobia is the fear of dentistry and of receiving dental care. Ombrophobia is the fear of rain, which can cause severe and anxiety attacks. Gamophobia is the fear of getting married or being in a relationship. Xanthophobia is the fear of the color yellow. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share with others.